Hello parents and my dear students. This is Chirag Shah, the head for the ICC division at Mahesh Tutorials. I'm also the faculty for physics at Mahesh Tutorials for grade 9 and 10th standard students. Thank you for watching us on this video. This video, parents, is about the academic year 21-22, an academic year after the COVID era. Let us talk about how will we deliver our lectures. The lectures will be delivered online via live lectures. Lectures will also be conducted in the classroom as per the new rules set by the government. Pre-recorded lectures along with test papers will also be given to you via our application RoboMed Plus. At Mahesh Tutorials, hence we say Raho Befikar. The result at Mahesh Tutorials last year, that is the academic year 1920 for ICSE, has been tremendous. 373 students scored above 90%. Prashasta Chitravanshi, 99.2%, was the first ranker at Mahesh Tutorials for ICSE. At Mahesh Tutorials, we mainly focus on 5 areas. First one, access to knowledge. Best teachers, whether offline or online. The content, the notes, the question papers, the test materials has been very carefully prepared. The plan that we follow is such that the kids can study stress-free with a smile on their face. Students have to have continuous practice. A lot of test papers and a lot of exams will eventually lead to very good scores. And most importantly, with your contribution, together we will make it a point that kids can prepare for these exams with complete confidence and again a smile on their faces. To talk about access to knowledge, all our lectures that we conduct in the classroom or whether on online have been conducted or will be conducted on technology, which is PowerPoint presentations. These PowerPoint presentations have been checked, verified at various stages by the industry experts for confirming their content. The same content is then passed on at all our centers across Mumbai and across India. The teachers have been trained rigorously on these presentations, and then the presentations are used in our live lectures in the classrooms. We use the same presentations for our classrooms online. We actually make it a point that the same content is used everywhere, every time. Talking about the content, let's talk about notes. Same very well prepared notes in a question and answer format will be given to kids. These question and answers will cover all the board questions. Furthermore, another very unique book called as the Mission 100 will also be given to the kids. This book covers the prelim papers of the top ICSE schools of Mumbai. Further, a board examination booklet, which is called Step Up, covers all the important, or should I say, all the board questions, chapter wise. So for every chapter, all the possible board questions that have been asked for the past 10 years have been put together in this book called as Step Up. We then have these notes verified again by the industry experts to make sure that the content given in these books are important with regards to the board exams. Talking about a plan, talking about the schedule for the grade 9th standard lectures will be conducted online until a new guideline is set. Lectures, once they resume in the classrooms, will be conducted in the following format. Students will have lectures during the summer vacation, preferably beginning from the 1st of April and will go on till the 30th of April. Lectures will be conducted for 3 to 4 hours every day. In the month of May, they will have their holidays. During school days, that is between June to December, lectures will be conducted for 3 to 4 hours every day, 6 days a week, which is Monday to Saturday. Sundays will be family time. Between June to December, during the Diwali vacation, students will have a holiday for 10 days. Post the Diwali, which is in the month of November all the way to February, regular examinations will be conducted. Doubt solving lectures will be conducted based on their requirements. Regular pep-up talks, basic academic counseling will be given to make sure kids push themselves. Talking about the 10th standard functioning. Students for the grade 10th will have their functioning as follows. From the 1st April to the 30th April, lectures will be for 3 hours every day, 6 days a week. 2nd May to 31st May, lectures will be for 6 hours a day, again 6 days a week. 6 hours a day since the schools will not be functioning during this phase. From 1st June to 9th June, students will have a small break. In this duration, we will manage to complete about 60% of their entire 10th standard syllabus. Talking about 10th June to October, lectures will be for 12 to 15 hours a week, where the remaining 40% portion will be targeted and completed. From the month of November to March, that is for 12 to 15 hours a week again, lectures will be conducted, but the focus will be mainly on examinations, doubt solving lectures since we've already finished the entire syllabus, guidance lectures will be given, intensive coaching with regards to individual performances will be taken care of. Step up book will be practiced in the classroom also as assignments. Target setting sessions will be conducted to make sure kids perform really well and keep up their academic performance. Regular pep up talks and academic counseling will be regularly given to kids so that they push themselves, as well as a very important helpline, Humse Pucho, will be available between November to March during their board exams. Guidance lectures will have points covering paper presentation, will have time management in two ways: how to finish your paper on time, how to prepare for your examinations one day before your main exam. Last minute preparation in terms of what to study, when to study, how to study will be guided, and diet management sessions will also be taken care of, since what you eat or staying healthy is very important during your board exams. Mock board examinations will be conducted wherein exact same replica of your board papers or of your board supplements will be given to you. Students will be expected to write their paper exactly as per the board rules. During the board exams, students will have an access to all their subject teachers 24/7. Yes, all our subject teachers will be available one day prior to their board examinations for 24 hours, which means if they have a physics paper tomorrow, then it is mandatory for me to stay awake and be available to kids on mobile numbers 24/7. I repeat, one day prior to their board examinations. Talking about the practice session, talking about the testing, the 9th standard test will be conducted as per their school. However, please remember, the preparation should always be focused towards the board exams. Students will have unit test examinations, semester examinations, cyclic examinations prior to their school. All these examinations will be planned in a way that the students can prepare for their board exams. Now, talking about grade 10th examinations. Grade 10th examinations will be conducted in cyclic formats. Cyclic 1 will have a little part of the syllabus, will be conducted in the month of May, will go all the way till the month of June. Cyclic 2 examination will also have a little part of your syllabus, but this will be while your school is on. Hence, the examinations will go from June all the way to October. Your entire syllabus, preparation of the entire syllabus in one go is challenging since we've not done this regularly. Therefore, the entire syllabus will be broken up into two halves. Semi-prelim 1 will have half of the syllabus. The semi-prelim 2 examination will have the other half of the syllabus. This examination will be conducted between the month of November and will go all the way to December. The prelim 1 examination, first time ever when you write the entire textbook, which is also called as the mock board exams at My Tutorials, will be conducted between the month of December and January. Prelim 2 examination will be in the month of February depending upon the board exam schedule. Talking about self-confidence now. It becomes very difficult for a child when he studied something in the month of April in the year 2021 and to remember all of it in the month of March 2022. It becomes really difficult for a child to be confident if he has missed a class in school or whether at my tutorials. It becomes furthermore difficult for a child to clear his doubts because then he will have to travel long distances to clear small doubts. What if before your exam or before the examination of a child, your worst nightmare comes true? One day prior, the child comes to you and says, Mama or Papa, I've forgotten everything. What do you do? Simply log on to Robomed Plus. Now, download Robomed Plus via the Android Play Store or the Apple App Store. Why should you choose to be a part of Mahesh Tutorials? Very important, we have the best teachers available to you all the time in your house via our application called as Robomed Plus. The best experienced team of expert teachers will teach online as well as offline. A very well planned test series, very thoughtfully created test plan will be given to your child. Regular counselings, motivational sessions, pep up talks will be given to students as well as few stress relieving sessions will also be arranged for parents. Most importantly, we will make it a point that the child improves his performance gradually as well as towards the end of the year. We will make it a point